Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and we're here outside of the shack today. Just going for a little bit of walk around, surveying actually if there was anything that happened after yesterday's windstorm. Looks like everything's good. Anyway, today I want to talk about a new on-the-air program. Yes, a brand new on-the-air program. I just learned yesterday, actually I saw on the spot page from Puerto Rico, somebody doing towers on the air. I went, wow, that's interesting. Let me go research that a bit more. Then I did a quick Google search and found the Towers on the Air website at www.tota.com. And then I got my SWR magazine by email last night, and there was an article about Towers on the Air in there. And so I said, oh, let me learn more about this. So it's a group out of the Czech Republic that have started it. It's in limited countries right now. Canada, US, unfortunately, are not part of the program, but Canada may be coming soon. You never know, just stay tuned. So what Towers on the Air is, it's just like any other OTA program, like Parks on the Air, Worldwide Flora and Fauna, Bunkers on the Air, you name it. Whatever on the air program is out there. All work the same way. Lakes and lagoons, all work the same way. So Towers on the Air is on man-made towers. So if in Canada here, that would be like the CN Tower in Toronto, the Skyline Tower in Niagara Falls, the Calgary Tower in Calgary. The tower has to be man-made. It needs to have an observation platform. So a fire lookout tower with an observation platform that is open to the public would count. A lighthouse here in Atlantic Canada with an observation deck that's open to the public would count. It has to be a man-made structure with an observation platform, an observation deck, and it has to be open to the public. So to activate one of these towers, you just have to be either in the tower itself. So for example, if you wanted to go to Toronto and do the CN Tower, you could take your handheld, go on 2 meter FM on simplex and work contacts from the top of the observation deck on the CN Tower. Or you could be within 200 meters, if I read the rules right, of the structure. What's not included are radio towers, natural kind of scenic points. Now, natural scenic points do count if it has a structure that is man-made, that is open to the public and has a viewing platform. So you could be on a trail somewhere and you can go up this platform to the observation deck. That would count, if I read the rules right, on Towers on the Air. I had a quick email exchange with Sebastian, Kilo India 2 Delta, and Towers on the Air is already part of Polo. Hey, so Sebastian's on the ball. So what do you think about Towers on the Air? Yet another on the air program. I think it's great for ham radio. I think the more of these on the air programs people can dream up, like here in New Brunswick, we have New Brunswick parks, military sites, there's lakes and lagoons, there is beaches on the air, silos on the air, Belgium castles on the air. I think it's just the more the merrier for ham radio. Because let's be honest, Parks on the Air is the 8,000 pound gorilla. And you know what? Not everybody wants to do Parks on the Air. I like doing Parks on the Air, but I like variety. I like to go out. And one of the reasons why I like Ham 2K Polo is that I can go to a tower that's also next to a lake that happens to be in a Worldwide Flora and Fauna and a POTA reference, and capitalize on all those programs. A lot of POTA operators, particularly POTA, miss the opportunity to cross dip or double dip into different programs. If you're watching this video and you're a POTA activator or only does POTA, please, I'm not begging. I'm not getting on my hands and knees and begging, but I'm just advising. Maybe you should look and see what else you can do. Can you multiple activate different programs? I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. www.tota.com is the website. Go and check them out. And maybe we'll see Canada on the air one day. And if we can get a US person to step up and volunteer, there may be a US part of the program as well. 7-3 for now, everyone. See you in the next video.